With business technology, there's always another upgrade. We upgrade our cell phones and tablets every few years, and our laptops too. But when was the last time you upgraded your business phone system? If it's been 5 years or more, then you're overdue an upgrade. Up-to-date VoIP phone systems, designed for 2020, have a number of huge benefits. They're cheaper. You're already paying for your internet connection, and you don't have the additional expense of installing individual phone lines. The call quality is better. VoIP uses HD voice, which makes for greater clarity on your audio. They're flexible. You can tailor your VoIP system to exactly how your business works. The only restriction is your internet bandwidth. They're easily scalable. No matter how many employees you add or lose, VoIP adapts instantly. And they're perfect for working from home. Your people can connect directly to your business telephone system from anywhere and any device. A 2020 VoIP system really is the ideal solution for most businesses. If you're interested in saving money and upgrading your phone systems at the same time, let's talk.